So we got a drive-through here. Maybe 11.48 gallons tank hold. What's one here? So they got $3 whisker liquor. So we got this breakfast and lunch menu. Fast food, right? So breakfast and lunch, we got $3. We want tacos. We got cheesecake, healthy. We got a small salad and 2 tacos. So let's say we need protein today, right? So we're gonna go, either the salad's probably healthy, but it's just March. So I want to try tacos and I'll have a salad tonight. Hello, good morning.
How can I help you?
I'm gonna take 2 tacos
Okay.
and a cup for water, large water.
Anything else?
No ice, please.
Okay.
Do you have a lemon by chance?
I'm sorry?
Could you cut a lemon inside?
We don't have lemons, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Sorry, 463.
Why is it? I meant just one order of 2 tacos. It's how much?
It's a large water and the 2 tacos, 463.
It says $1 something.
No, for the largest boat?
Oh, no water. I'm not paying him. It's similar. No. Hey, so how much is okay, that's
Sorry?
hey, hold on a second. One moment. One moment. Here we go.
You want the water or no?
No. They try to marginalize up and pinch penny it, but that's what you get for the second place. How much is a bottle here of water? It's like $2 for tap water. It's a 5-cent differential of $20. You see? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see. Now these are tacos. Are $1.59 per kilo. Not the healthiest thing. Not terrible. Here's a hotel. It's a good hotel for evacuation purposes of hurricane season. No. Jack in the Box. These hours are here. They had security stickers on last time. Okay, this is better security. It's probably a little taxi cab circle. Let's see. Get some real fake cannons. Okay, I have to cook the food. Cooking the food. Got the bag open. Okay, sugar and gloves. That'd be better. Like a finger painting gloves. Sorry, it probably just has plastic gloves, like thin gloves. You know those clear ones? That's good. Just redo. That'd be good. This has changed, so you have to pay these. Thank you, appreciate it. I bought this little whistle. I just like it. Wake people up. I could go all the way, go loop around, loop back alleyway. There's a Fuzzy's Pizza Time. So this was a drive-thru. I got this cap here for $2. Is that a cap? That's a food. Yes. But now my tank is verified the size volume inside my can bag. I own this one. It's changing. Right? Ooh. Looks like a cat. No, it's her food. Right? But the bowl of this one's on a bed. Outside, it's a child. But we have to drive. You have to learn how to drive a vehicle eventually. You have to have a license to drive. There you go. So I turned the other direction, took a right. Here's Memorial. Some Memorial homes. They're out there reading books as we speak. And they have changed the page, but it's a home, it's a resale. It's about money, isn't it? It's prosperity, yes. That's a huge looking home, you know. Okay, this is prosperity. I'm not disavowing these size homes. It seems like a lot of maintenance. You have to have 20 kids. Well, you can put your horse right there, or whatever. So these are nice homes. Here's a Catholic place. It's like a Catholic place for people that want to find knickers, black knickers. No, they're okay. Just testing the waters. Now this is the other side for kings and queens. I'm gonna send $5 in your name for your mother in Person City, Yoga, check. A paper check might get my draw on Tuesday or Wednesday, right? And I'm playing, it just comes in on Wednesday. Here's some apartment, I'm not sure, offices. Look, we lived on this road. It was Indian Circle, right? This is Chimney Rock. Chimney Rock Road, and near I-10 is that long intersection to the right. Like I'm just at one hand over. Now, comparison apples and oranges, Taco Bell and Jack in the Box. Now, I'm trying to say Taco Bell, but for the money, it's a consideration because the margin. Now he's saying celery range. No, I'm saying the flavor. I lived on this road down the way. My parents did it. So my mom was falling in love with the homes, and my dad was locking me out. And who are these people? Some people that eat the prohibition. They don't eat one. What they say is monkey see, monkey do, out of sight, out of mind. So there's a bayou. So our house flooded in a big hurricane. It was like 100 years hurricane. Let me drive down there again. This is doodle. No, I can't. I'll say hi to Michael if he's still working. Okay, this is the street I used to live on. One more home that had the 30-foot library and so on. And so this guy here could pop him out on one day. It's probably not spared. Let me see. So it's this home here in the corner. Mom undersold as a Thompson home. How's it going? Hey, is Michael still working?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh, so he's still working. Okay, have a good day. All right, thank you. So these, it's a nice home, but the house in Austin was larger. It was a bigger size home, it had more land and all that. But that bit off more you can picture. Because the house in Austin's a picturesque city, so it's not what you see, it's what you sit at. It's a La Quinta size. Anyway, so this one's kind of strange. It gave me a bunch of dogs there. My family lives here, so I'm sociable, but you know, I got my dollar. Oh, shit, I'm not supposed to